Hello student, here we discuss about the acidity of hydrides. Group 16 hydrides we will learn over here. Please subscribe my channel. If you like my video, please share and like button also. Press the like button. TeH2. See, it is written in two ways. They can write on TeH whole twice here or H2Te. Okay, so here it is a hydrogen ditelluride. So it is written as TeTe. Te bonded to Te, and here one H and here one H. And since Te is very big in size, so this bond length is very high, very long distance will be there, so it will be easily cleaved. So this is acidic in nature, as well as H2Te also acidic in nature. Why? I told you that usse te po. I told you this. Usse te and po. Usse te po. Group 16 member. Okay, so here it is p block elements, and here this is at the bottom. Okay, so as we go down to the group, atomic size increases as atomic size of tellurium is more than sulfur and selenium. So H2Te is acidic as compared to H2S, H2Se. Okay, so which is more acidic they will ask, so you can easily write on H2Te. So H2Te is most acidic among the three because of the large size of the atom of tellurium. Bond length will be larger. Okay, so bond strength will be least, weakest bond. Why? Bond length large. So here I will write on bond length more or large, you can say larger. So bond strength will be weakest, so easily H positive will be replaced. Now similarly, group 17 hydrides, Hi most acidic among all. What are the hydrides of this? So HF, HCl, HBr and Hi. These are the hydrides of halogen. HF, HCl, HBr and Hi. These are the hydrides of group 17. So which is most acidic? Hi is most acidic. I have made this much big so that you will easily understand that bond length is more, so easily cleaved, so it is acidic. So bond strength will be less. Bond length more, bond strength less, so easily cleaved, H positive. So that is why Hi is most acidic. Okay, Hi is most acidic. Clear to you? We discussed one MCQ that buffer solution is used to, I will give you the correct answer, removal of phosphate ion. They have given preparation of potassium false, increasing pH value false, precipitation of CrOH whole thrice false. So only thing is after the addition, this buffer solution, removal of phosphate ion will be taking place over here, because in CrOH whole 3 it depends upon KSP, so this will be wrong. And